Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious fried rice using only onion. First, ensure your rice is cold. Day-old rice works perfectly. Next, finely dice one medium onion. This will be the star of our dish, so make sure the pieces are consistent. Finally, measure out 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, setting them aside for later. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add the diced onion and sauté it for about 3 minutes until it becomes translucent and slightly softened. Then, add your cold rice to the pan, using your spatula to break up any clumps and ensure it heats evenly. It's time to add some amazing flavor. Pour the 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil directly over the rice and onion mixture. Stir everything together thoroughly, ensuring every grain of rice is coated. Continue to cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally, allowing the flavors to meld and the rice to get slightly crispy. Your simple onion fried rice is almost ready. Give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings if you like. You might add a pinch of salt or a dash more soy sauce. For a fresh touch, garnish with some chopped green onions or cilantro. Serve your delicious fried rice immediately as a satisfying side dish or a quick, flavorful light meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.